So, obesity as a disease, what's actually broken in the body? So I suppose at its core, obesity is a disease of energy regulation and hormone imbalance, much more than just eating too much or moving too little. Here are the main issues behind it. Hormone imbalance in appetite regulation. So in people living with obesity, the brain often stops responding properly to the hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, like leptin. That tells your brain that you're full. And in obesity, people can become leptin resistant, meaning the brain doesn't get the signal to stop eating. And then we have ghrelin. Now, ghrelin signals hunger, and in obesity, ghrelin levels can stay high, keeping hunger constant. GLP-1 and other gut hormones normally help regulate appetite after meals, and in obesity, these signals can be weaker or less effective, shall we say. So in your brain, your brain believes you're starving, even when you're not. And this is why food noise and cravings feel so powerful. And then, of course, we have insulin resistance. This is very common in people living with obesity. When cells stop responding to insulin, the body produces more insulin to compensate. High insulin levels increase fat storage and make weight loss harder. This also causes low energy and cravings, especially for carbs, and eventually puts people at risk of type 2 diabetes. But insulin resistance is a symptom. It's not the root cause. It's part of a cascade, not the single origin. So then number 3, we have the set point theory, which is metabolic regulation. Your body has a set point, a weight range it defends biologically. In people with obesity, that set point is dysregulated. The brain thinks the higher weight is normal and will fight to maintain that higher weight or return to it every time you lose weight. This is why dieting alone often fails. The body slows down metabolism, increases hunger hormones, and reduces energy to protect the higher weight. So, is it too much insulin or is it insulin resistance? It's not just one thing. It's a complex network of dysregulation involving the brain, the gut, the pancreas, fat tissues, hormones, and neurotransmitters, which is why treatment like GLP-1 medication targets multiple pathways, not just appetite, not just insulin, but the entire feedback loop that's been disrupted.